Nursery and kids bedroom dresser, universal design to match any nursery or kids bedroom, 3-drawer bedroom dresser, crafted of wood composites, laminated with a durable, easy-to-clean PU-coated surface, and includes Euro drawer glides, assembly required. Safety tested to meet or exceed applicable CPSIA ASTM International category safety standards including ASTM F2057 safety specification for clothing storage units, intended to reduce furniture tip-over hazards to children aged 5 under. Expert tested, Storkcraft dressers are tested at third-party, accredited laboratories to meet or exceed all applicable category voluntary and mandatory safety standards. Packaging is tested to reduce the risk of incidental shipment-related damage. Award-winning brand, exclusively from Storkcraft, proud recipient of the 2022 Women's Choice Award for 9 out of 10 customer-recommended baby kids furniture and parent-tested parent-approved, PTPA, seal of approval. Dresser organizer, assembled width, 31.5 inches, x assembled depth, 16.7 inches, x assembled height, 33.4 inches, x assembled weight, 71.2 pounds. All Storkcraft nursery and kids bedroom dressers are backed by Storkcraft's 1-year limited warranty.